Welcome to our channel, We Are Forever Dreaming. We are Danny and Donna. If you're new here, we take you along with us as we travel in our truck camper, towing our Jeep behind us, and exploring this world around us. We show you how we do it, where we stay, and where we go while we're there to have fun. We also give you tips about what we find that makes things better and easier. We invite you to subscribe to our channel to see where the next adventure takes us. Sometimes companies reach out to us to review products that we would use in this lifestyle. Let me tell you about today's sponsor. Ogery reached out to us to review their camping fan. We don't have a portable fan that we travel with, so I was really excited to try this out. The first thing that impresses me about this fan is the 20,000 milliamp hour battery. The battery will last 12 to 138 hours depending on the speed. You charge it with a USB-C cable, and from that battery you can use the USB-C and the USB-A output to charge your electronic devices. It can actually charge two devices at one time, so that's pretty convenient if you're sitting outside and you need to recharge your phone. It's also really cool that it comes with a remote. The middle button on the fan base lets you turn it on by either pressing it or spinning it right clockwise, and that turns up the speed of the fan. To turn the fan off, you either press it or you can turn the dial counterclockwise to turn it off. When you're charging it, it has a display that shows the battery level at 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. It fully charges in 4.5 hours with any power adapter that's over 18 watts. You can also refer to those levels as you're using it to see how much power you have left. As you can see, I have it fully charged. And I tested it to see if the fan would operate while it's charging, and it does. Something I really didn't expect to see on this fan was oscillation. You turn the fan on, and then you hit the oscillation button right here, and it starts spinning. It has an option to spin at 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and 120 degrees. I'm going to turn off the oscillation now with this button. You keep pressing it until it goes off, and show you that it also has a tilt where you can tilt it up or you can tilt it down. And if it stopped oscillating in the middle and you want to turn it, you can just turn it back to its center position. On the base, you can also select the timer function with the button right here, and it will turn on for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. And then it will automatically shut off. It has a button on the far left that is for sleep mode. When you press this button, it turns off all the indicator lights so that it's not interrupting your sleep. Next to the sleep button is the lantern button. This fan also has a lantern with 3 different levels of lighting. How convenient is that? And don't forget, you can also use the remote to turn the fan off and on, or the light off and on. It also has a hook on the top and a hook on the bottom so you can hang it. I think the remote feature is pretty cool, and you can tell that the remote is working because when you press it, it beeps. I think this fan is pretty cool. It'd be great for tent campers or overlanders, maybe camping in a rooftop tent, especially with such a long-lasting, powerful battery. I personally could use it at a table or a desk if I was editing videos or putting on my makeup. I could use it outside at a table if I was reading. Also, we could hang it up by the bed because our bedroom gets kind of hot at night in the summertime. I would say this fan is pretty powerful and it's not very noisy. Thank you to Ogery for reaching out to us to review your camping fan. I hope this review helped you out.